Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create AI talking avatars for e-learning with the Synthesia. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go to Synthesia. So once you are in the Synthesia AI, you can simply purchase a plan. You can simply purchase a plan of Synthesia and start by selecting from Synthesia's library of 230 plus diverse stock AI avatars. After this, you can also use personalization to create a personal avatar in Synthesia. So there are like different avatars right over here. You need to simply select your AI and write your script. You need to type in any script in any language, like input the text or use an existing content and then customize your video. You can select the voice, add visuals, adjust the background, incorporate pauses, and generate and share the video as well. So this is how you can create AI talking avatars for e-learning with Synthesia. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.